that would be taking place in the state in the coming months, the Babri provocation has now intensified. 2 months after laying the foundation stone on the 6th of December last year of the proposed Babri Masjid in Bengal's Murshidabad, now the construction for the mosque has begun. With piles of bricks at the site and JCBs and heavy machinery, now the suspended TMC MLA Humayun Kabir has declared that the construction of the new Babri Masjid will be completed within 2 years. But it is not just a construction. The provocation is something that is now getting louder. At the site, there was also sale of Babri merchandise, right from cups to T-shirts to sellers that were seen with I Love Babri merchandise and T-shirts that has been printed being sold. And as if this provocation was not enough, the MLA also then threatened the police officials, saying that on the 14th, he will surround the SP and will take millions to teach him a lesson.
यहाँ कुछ मुसलमान को वो पुलिस वाला लेके वो एसडीपीओ बेलडंगा मुर्शिदाबाद बहरमपुर पुलिस पीडी एसपी वो कुछ मुसलमान और नाजमुल हक बोल के एक मुफ्ती है भगवान गुला घर है इनको लेके क्या क्या किया सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स मेरा पास आया तो एसपी को सबक सिखाएंगे 14 तारीख बेला 11 से 1 बजे तक 1 लाख आदमी लेके ये नया एसपी जो आया जो ये बाबरी मस्जिद को खिलाफ जो कार्रवाई कर रहा है इनको सबक सिखाएगी मैं 14 तारीख बेला 11 से 1 बजे तक.
Construction for the proposed Babri Masjid in Murshidabad's Bendanga has officially begun. We're currently at Bendanga, right near the site where the Babri Masjid will come up. What you see behind me are the huge excavators and JCB machines working here round the clock. And Humayun Kabir, as he claims that the entire masjid will be ready in the next 2 to 3 years. Today, the work officially began. You can see several workers here who are involved in construction work, and there are hundreds of people who are coming from far away places to take a glimpse and catch a glimpse of what really the Babri Masjid will look like. There is a huge gathering that is currently here at the site where the Babri Masjid is going to come up. You can see that there are arrangements in place so that it can accommodate a lot of people who are reaching here to catch a glimpse of the masjid. Today, the work officially began after a religious program that was conducted by Humayun Kabir. From 12th February, another program will commence in relation to this Babri Masjid. Humayun Kabir will be leading the Babri Yatra from Nadia District Palasi to Itahar. It will be spread across several days where he is going to reach out to the people of West Bengal with the message of Babri Masjid, and also he will share details of the Babri Masjid. What you see behind me is work going on war footing, because as Humayun Kabir claims that the construction work will fully be completed in the next 2-3 years, about 10 crore rupees have been received here as a part of the donations, and about 2 to 3 crore worth construction material has been donated by a lot of people here. It could be stone chips, it could be cement, and it could be bricks that have been donated here from the people who are not just coming from West Bengal but from faraway places and want to be part of the construction of the Babri Masjid. In Murshidabad's Beldanga with video journalist Kaushik, this is Pooja Mehta for Times Now.
Now, as far as these developments that are now coming in from the ground, but amid the plans in West Bengal, here is a straight-out message coming in from the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, firmly stating that the Babri structure would never be rebuilt, or not even at the end of the time, Qayamat tak, as he seems to have said in this point-blank message that he is now given across.
ये डबल इंजन की सरकार प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में, उनके मार्गदर्शन में जो बोलती है वह करके दिखाती है, और जितना करती है उतना ही बोलती है. हम लोगों ने कहा था ना कि रामलला हम आएंगे, मंदिर वहीं बन गया ना, मंदिर अयोध्या में, कोई संदेह है? और हम आज फिर इस बात को कह रहे हैं कि कयामत के दिन तक भी कभी, कयामत का दिन तो कभी आना ही नहीं है, और इसलिए बाबरी ढांचे का पुनर्निर्माण कभी होना ही.
यूपी के मुख्यमंत्री ने बयान दिया है कि वो मस्जिद नहीं बनने देंगे, तो इसका जवाब आप कैसे देते हैं?
ये तो अयोध्या नहीं है ना, लखनऊ भी है नहीं, यूपी भी है नहीं, ये बंगाल है, मुर्शिदाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, बेलडंगा है, छेतिनिया मोड़ है. यहाँ को मस्जिद तोड़ेगी, मस्जिद रुकेगी तो यहाँ तो आना चाहिए जोगी जी को। जोगी जी को लखनऊ छोड़ के यहाँ आने दीजिए, फिर रुकने दीजिए, रुकने का कोशिश करने दीजिए। तो मैं क्या करूँगी ये तो आने का बाद सोचा जाएगी।
Well, Hridita is connected with us. Hridita, as far as the building of the mosque is now concerned, because the BJP is of the opinion that this is being done on part of the party, which is the TMC, and it's, expelled MLA to consolidate voters on communal lines. However, they believe that it will have no impact on the electorate.
Absolutely. As you see that yesterday marks the day of the construction of the replica of Babri Masjid, which was a project driven by Humayun Kabir. Now to remember, like, he is an expelled or a suspended MP from MLA from the Trinamool Congress party already, and in Wednesday in West Bengal's Murshidabad, he has taken over this construction of this mosque, and he has also warned. He has not only warned the SP Rizwan Charkar out there, but these warnings have been instilled in a lot of installments. This is for the second time. Earlier, he has also launched a sharp attack on the TMC's chief, which is Mamata Banerjee, the chief minister of the state. She has been also been given these warnings, and that any people in his lines, they will not be spared. And that is what now he has also brought up his new outfit, which is the Janta Unnayan Party. And he has called it to be a game changer. So the acclamations that BJP at the moment is making, that it is an ally with TMC. We see that the TMC is also opposing to this. However,
right.
the Janta Unnayan Party, which stands to be the game changer as considered or as claimed by Humayun Kabir.
Well, however, he has dared the UP Chief Minister, as far as Humayun Kabir is concerned, saying that if anyone stops the construction of the Babri Masjid, then he will think what step he should take next. But Yogi Adityanath is of the firm opinion, having said that Babri Masjid would never be built or rebuilt till the day of judgment or Qayamat Tak. Thank you very much, Hridita, for joining in live. With that, we head into a short break. Lots more lined up on the other side.